Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. Diabetes mellitus, or simply, diabetes is one of the major diseases in the present times. Diabetes, unfortunately, is a condition that remains for the eternity of a lifetime and has no definite cure. However, there are a number of medications that can help keep your blood sugar in check. But the major problem with these lies in the risk of side effects they can pose. Nowadays, online programs are proving as the new age remedy for such cases. And a highly reviewed one amongst these is the Halki Diabetes Remedy. What is Halki Diabetes Remedy? The Halki Diabetes Remedy is an online program created by Eric Whitfield. It brings you a set of guidelines that seeks to actively remove those toxins from your system that contribute to insulin resistance. Ingredients. The program contains a list of recipes that Whitfield brought back from Halki. And the common factor amongst these is a set of 3 key ingredients, which are known to detoxify your system of the substances that cause insulin resistance. Kohlrabi, this looks a lot like cabbage and is rich in glucoraphanin and sulforaphane. These essential nutrients repair the lung cells and actively prevent the oxidative damage caused by PM 2.5. Marjoram, common ingredient used for flavoring various salad dressings, marjoram, is actually rich in vital nutrients such as beta-carotene. This prevents cellular damage caused by airborne toxins over a prolonged period of time. This also significantly improves cardiovascular and digestive functions. Broccoli sprouts, this is a great natural detoxifier which filters out airborne pollutants and improves liver functions. It also helps reduce oxidative stress. The other ingredients in the recipes include a wide range of incredibly beneficial fruits and vegetables such as fruits and vegetables commonly grown in Greece. These include seeds, berries, herbs, jujubes, bergamot oranges, and other things. Each of these ingredients is known to specifically target a higher glycemic index, pulling it under control by reducing the body's insulin resistance. Benefits: it brings you a unique dressing and a bunch of natural recipes that naturally lowers your blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. It detoxifies your system of toxins such as PM 2.5, which causes the body to resist insulin. The program protocol ensures the improvement of your overall health by strengthening your immune system. Side effects: there is no risk of any side effects and adverse reactions to the health with this. Conclusion: overall, the Halki Diabetes Remedy is a practical solution to managing your blood sugar levels and shedding excess fat. To buy Halki Diabetes Remedy from official website, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.